What you mean you don't know Pana? She's dope. What you mean? What you mean? What you mean? What you mean? What is poppin' YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl DOPEaxxPANA, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys some more passion twists. I'm going to be focusing on the gripping of them and how you guys can make sure that they don't slip, and I left this whole video in regular speed. I know I've been speeding up a lot of my last videos just trying to get to the point, but today I left everything in regular speed for you guys today. As always, all the products that I'm using will be listed in the description section, down to the hair, the combs, all that. So if you guys are interested in knowing the exact products that I use today, you guys can go ahead and click those links in the description section and it'll take you to each product that I'm using. So I'm going to take this Shine and Jam and I'm coating the root of the part just to keep it nice and sleek. I'm going to go ahead and comb that through. And then the Passion Twist hair that I'm using, I actually ordered off Amazon. Like I said, it'll be linked in the description section. And I'm using one piece per twist just because this hair was a little bit thicker per strand than the usual Passion Twist hair I use. So to connect it, I am going to be using the 2-strand method, which is what I was showing you guys. I'm going to be using the 2 strands from the synthetic hair. My client's hair is going to be the 3rd strand to start it off. So I'm starting this off as I would do for Senegalese twists. There are definitely different ways that you can start these twists off. If you guys would like to know different methods you can use to start these, I will go ahead and link a video in the top right corner that you guys can click on and then return back to this video. So once I braided down about 1 inch to ½ an inch, I'm going to go ahead and separate my client's hair into 2. And I'm using the Shine and Jam to coat the ends of her natural hair. And this is just going to help it blend in with the Passion Twist hair because her ends are fairly straight and they do tend to stick out of the Passion Twist. So you want to just try to make sure you use some type of wax or you know, like the Shine and Jam like I'm using to help coat her hair in. Now the top of the twist, I do twist a little bit tighter, but here's going to be the trick, okay, to help it from slipping. So I'm going to take my clip and I'm going to clip the twist up, and then I'll continue to go down, and that's just going to make sure that my root of the twist stays put, because if you don't do this, number one, it's going to twist while you're twisting it, and that's going to cause like the root of her hair to twist, and you don't want that because you can cause your client's hair to lock depending on how long they leave the style in. But also it's gonna make the Passion Twist hair like kind of slip down, especially since you're gonna be using a product at the root. You just want to make sure it's pinned. Now an alternative to this, you can also have your client hold it, but when my clients come to me, y'all, like I just like them to sit in the chair and be slayed. I don't like them to have to help me do anything. So I definitely would say use the clip. This is not like a new method or anything that I made up. I just wanted to kind of share it with you guys because a lot of people talked about slippage, and so this can help you prevent that. Also making sure that when you actually start the twist, you're doing it tight. I'm not starting this like I would do a rope twist, but if you guys want to see that, I can definitely show you guys how to do that. I'm starting this like I do a Senegalese twist just to make it a lot more tight at the root because this hair is a little slippery. It's very different than using hair that is 100% Connect Lawn or, you know, Marley twist hair. So for this, I'm just going to be twisting all the way down to the very end of this hair, and that is pretty much it. You don't have to do anything special to seal the twist. You guys can see the end is very curly, and so you can kind of just leave it like that. Super easy. So you guys will see here when I actually take the clip off, her hair at the root is going to be nice and secure. You see no slippage in that, and that's what you want to see for an awesome Passion Twist, especially to make it last a little bit longer. And you don't have to use any type of rubber bands. I know some people are really against it, not me personally, but yeah. So I know you guys read the title. I did use 24-inch Passion Twist hair, and I wanted to try to find like the longest Passion Twist hair that I could possibly find. I know this client loves her hair to be like touching her ass, so I tried to find the longest length that I could, because the last video that I did was 18 inches, and obviously when you twist it, it's a little bit shorter than that. So the longest hair that I could find on Amazon was 24 inches. And at the end of this video, I'm gonna have my client stand up so that you guys can kind of see where the twists go on her. It's pretty long, but I still would love to like find something longer. So if you guys know any hair that is longer than 24 inches, go ahead and link it in my comment section. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys enjoy the rest of this video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. As always, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. If you haven't already, stop what you're doing and share this video. Click the notification bell because I have bomb uploads coming, and I will catch you guys in my next video. What you mean you don't know Pana? She's dope. What you mean?
What you mean?
What you mean?
What you mean?